Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. That's always seemed so ridiculous to me, that people want to be around someone because they're pretty. It's like picking your breakfast cereals based on color instead of taste. Beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart. When you do something noble and beautiful and nobody noticed, do not be sad. For the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. The beauty of a woman is not in a facial mode, but the true beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. It is the caring that she lovingly gives, the passion that she shows. The beauty of a woman grows with the passing years. To me, beauty is about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about knowing and accepting who you are. A woman whose smile is open and whose expression is glad has a kind of beauty no matter what she wears. Beauty is about enhancing what you have. Let yourself shine through. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Beauty is power, a smile is its sword. Never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. To me, beauty is natural beauty. If you're naturally yourself, you're beautiful. No matter how plain a woman may be, if truth and honesty are written across her face, she will be beautiful. When you are balanced, and when you listen and attend to the needs of your body, mind, and spirit, your natural beauty comes out. Beauty lies not in a flawless complexion but in the stories that are told by each transitioning line on a woman's face. Beauty is not something you buy, instead, beauty is what lies within. I love natural beauty, and I think it's your best look, but I think makeup as an artist is so transformative. Outer beauty turns the head, but inner beauty turns the heart. When beauty lives in the heart, it doesn't need to show up anywhere else. In the end, you will not see the physical beauty in others that caught your eye but the fire that burned within them. There is no definition of beauty, but when you can see someone's spirit coming through, something unexplainable, that's beautiful to me. Inner beauty, too, needs occasionally to be told it is beautiful. Beauty is when you can appreciate yourself. When you love yourself, that's when you're most beautiful.